I've been investing $50 every week into the S&P 500 ETF VOO for 2 years, 3 months, and 3 weeks now. So far, my portfolio has grown to over $7,000. In this video, I'm going to show you why this is one of the most effortless ways to build wealth, give you a detailed weekly update on my portfolio, and help you figure out if this strategy might be the right fit for you. I kicked off this challenge in June 2022 after diving into research on index funds and ETFs. I noticed thousands of YouTube videos all saying the same thing. Investing in the S&P 500 consistently and you'll see massive returns over time, including advice from the legendary Warren Buffett.
I think it's the same thing that makes most sense practically all of the time, and that is to consistently buy an S&P 500 low-cost index fund.
But here's the problem, no one was really showing their portfolios.
Show me.
It was all just talk. So I thought, why not document my entire journey and give people a real-time example so that I can provide a reference point for anyone thinking about doing the same thing. So the idea is to invest $50 in one of the most popular S&P 500 ETF VOO on a random day at a random time each week, regardless of market volatility. My plan is to keep the challenge going for years to truly test if this strategy works in the long run. You may ask, why $50 a week? Because I think it's a reasonable amount that a lot of people could achieve if they put a little bit of effort into saving.
Life is good.
Of course, if that's too much, you can always start with something you're comfortable with. Now jumping into the weekly update of my portfolio. I bought my weekly $50 VOO shares around 11:30 a.m. this Monday, bringing my total shares to 14.6. The current value of my investment sits at $76.75 and I'm up $17.25 in profits, which gives me a 29% rate of return. You can also check out my entire investing history in this chart. As you will notice, at the beginning of this challenge, my portfolio went negative a few times, but over time, I've steadily built up this growing profit as the market trended upwards. That's how it accumulates wealth for me and the beauty of this strategy. It doesn't require intense research or tracking individual stocks. I don't have to stress about market news or time my purchases perfectly. I can just buy my weekly shares whenever I want. You know that famous saying, less is more? This is a perfect example of it in action. Now, if you are new to investing and want a straightforward, worry-free way to grow your wealth, why not join me on this journey? It only takes $50 a week, a bit of consistency and patience, that's it. Trust me, if I can do it, you can do it too. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. I'll see you next time.